In this video, we look at how to change the default search engine that is used on Internet Explorer. It's kind of funny that it looks like an easy task, but it is actually not very straightforward. So let's perform a search quickly. We're going to say iPad and we're going to use Internet Explorer to search. So if we perform the search, as you can see at the top here, if you see at the top here, we have the Bing, which is the search engine. So let's change that. In order to change that, let's see, web, I'm checking something, search pages within the array, use the default settings, search history, World Wide Web. Okay, in order to change that, we have to go to the desktop mode. So if we go to the desktop and we launch the Internet Explorer in the desktop mode, there is a button here for the settings. If you click on that and you click on let's try that again, click on that button, the settings, and you can click on manage add-ons. Right, so we have some add-ons and we can change the search provider from here. If you click on the search provider, you see it says Bing and it is the default. So what you want to do, you want to select the search provider you want to view or change. So at the bottom here you see the link, they bury deep down because they don't want you to change it. So find more search providers, and it's going to present you with more search providers. So let's look for Google recommended. We have so many, so let's click on the Google one, and it said add to Internet Explorer, make this my default search provider, add, and is it completed? Let's look around. I think it's done. Back to add-ons. Okay, now let's check this manage add-ons to see if it's there. Manage add-ons. Right, so we have search providers, we have the Google as the default. Okay, that's a funny image, people are crazy. Okay, so now let's go back to the search. Let's try again, iPad, and this time we use the Internet Explorer to search again, and I hope it's going to use Google. No, it's not using Google. I don't think it works across. Let's change something here. This is actually crazy. So if I search, even though this one is still provided Bing as the webs for the web search here. Okay, let's do something. If I type iPad there, now it's using Google. But why does this not work across onto the start screen? So let's try that on this start screen, the Metro browser. The search provider is Bing. If I type iPad here and I press enter, does it change? It's actually using Google now. It's using the Google to search because we've changed the search provider. But from the start screen, if we try that again, let's see if for the last time, let's see if it's going to work again this time. Internet Explorer, yeah, it's working now. Let's try again. Let's type something else. Let's type dog and use Internet Explorer to search. Let's see if it's going to use Google search. Yes, he's using Google, so I think that is fixed now. And I hope you find that useful. Thank you.